I'm Arielle Perlada of Culinary and Hospitality Academy, and this is my internship experience here at Teleferic Barcelona in Walnut Creek, California. Growing up, I was always fascinated by food, not just eating it, but understanding how something simple can bring people together. While other kids like playing outdoors or with toys, my playground was the kitchen. I loved helping out with chores, especially cooking. As I got older, I really got into baking. I loved making desserts for friends and family, and during the pandemic, I even started a small home baking business. But after a while, I realized I still had a lot to learn. So I decided to study baking and pastry arts at Global Academy to really strengthen my skills. Eventually, I decided to enroll in their culinary arts and international cuisine course as well. Choosing Global Academy was one of the best decisions I've ever made. When my mom and I were looking at culinary schools, we didn't really know where to start. We just wanted to find a place that felt right. I still remember the day we visited Global. They had actually already closed, but they still welcomed us in and took the time to talk to us and show us around. That moment really stuck with me because it showed how genuine and accommodating they were. And I knew right then and there that it was the kind of environment I wanted to learn and grow in. My experience there really prepared me for the real world, not just in cooking, but also in professionalism and discipline. Everything they taught me, from knife skills to kitchen etiquette, really reflected once I started working abroad. They always emphasized their core values: passion, reliability, integrity, commitment, and excellence. And it's something I carry with me every single day at work. One of the biggest things Global gave me was confidence. I used to doubt myself a lot, even though I loved cooking and baking. But my instructors saw something in me that I didn't see in myself yet. They pushed me and supported me and helped me believe that I could actually do great things. Because of that, I got to compete in the Philippine Culinary Cup 2024, and I ended up bringing home a gold and silver medal. That was such a proud moment, not just for me, but for everyone who helped me get there. When it was time to choose an internship venue, Global Academy encouraged me to pursue opportunities abroad, and Teleferic Barcelona gave me that opportunity. Teleferic Barcelona is a family-owned Spanish restaurant that brings the flavors and spirit of Barcelona to California. They're known for their authentic tapas, paellas, and lively family-style dining experience. I worked at Teleferic for a year through the J1 internship program, and what drew me the most to Teleferic was the idea of family. During orientation, they talked about how the restaurant is built around sharing, that food was meant to bring people together. That really resonated with me because, as a Filipino, family meals and sharing food have always been a big part of our culture. I felt right away that this was a place that valued not just good food, but connection too. As a kitchen intern, I had the chance to experience all stations at Teleferic Barcelona. I worked at the fryer, the grill, the cold, the oven, and the line station. From prepping fresh ingredients to mastering traditional Spanish dishes, every day was a new learning experience. I developed my knife skills, learned proper station organization, and became more efficient during service. Moving forward, I hope to continue working in professional kitchens and someday explore pastry work as well. And eventually, with the help of these experiences, I hope to open my own business someday. But ultimately, I just want to keep growing, learning, and hopefully inspiring others the same way my mentors did for me. So there's my story. Once again, I'm Arielle Perlada of Global Culinary and Hospitality Academy, and that was my internship experience at Teleferic Barcelona in Walnut Creek, California. So come join Global Academy and imagine the possibilities. It's time to put your culinary career in full color.